When it comes to your roof, one of the most important aspects is knowing when it's time for a new shingle roof. Knowing what signs to look for can help you determine if your current roof needs replacing or not. One sign that indicates you may need a new shingle roof is curling and buckling of the existing shingles. This usually happens due to age and exposure from weather elements such as wind, rain, and the sun, over an extended period of time, which causes them to become brittle and start lifting up at their edges. If this occurs in more than just isolated areas on your home's rooftop, then chances are good that you will need a full replacement soon. Another indication would be missing granules on top of the asphalt layer. These small stones provide protection against UV rays. Without the granules, there could be accelerated wear, leading towards failure down the line. In addition, keep an eye out for any cracked or broken shingles. These should be replaced before they cause further damage elsewhere around your house. Lastly, check underneath eaves and overhangs where water tends to collect after heavy rains. If there's evidence of moisture, then definitely consider getting yourself some professional advice. In conclusion, while all roofs have different lifespans depending upon how well they are maintained. If your roof was installed with quality materials, generally speaking a roof that is 15 to 20 years old means, it's probably best practice to replace yours sooner rather than later. So pay attention closely during regular inspections and maintenance checks every year accordingly. Contact us today to learn more about our services and to get started on your roofing project. Get a quality roofing quote from J.K. Johns Roofing. 352-754-8600